Suppose you click the play button of your favorite video, but the video did not play. Rather, an advertisement appears on the screen. How irritating and disgusting it will be. But there is nothing for you to do. But why? Because YouTube is not your private property. You have to wait until the ad ends, or you have to wait for the skip option. But today I shall show you a technique to stop this ad or block this ad. But how? Let's learn this technique step by step. At first you will have to go to YouTube app, then you will have to play any type of video. I will show you by playing one of my video. After clicking this button, it is seen an ad appears on the screen. You can also watch this ad when you watch video on your own mobile, and you have to wait until the ad ends. The question is, how to stop this ad? To stop this ad, you have to go to the left corner of the screen where you can find a circular box with an eye icon inside just beside the time duration icon, or where the time appears. You have to click this circular box. After clicking this box, another box will open where it is written "Stop seeing this ad." And here you will find another circular box with a line inside. You have to click this circular box. After clicking the box, you will find another box where you will see two options, cancel or yes. You have to click the yes option. With this clicking, another box will appear on the screen where you will find three options: repetitive, irrelevant, inappropriate. You have to choose any of the three options. Then you have to click the send button. Now it is done, finished. Now you can enjoy your video without any impediments, without any ads. When you are using computer or laptop, how to stop YouTube advertisement? It is quite different from the technique applied to mobile phone. At first, you will have to go to YouTube, then just play any kind of video. After clicking, you will see an advertisement appearing on the screen. Similarly, at the corner of the screen, you will find a circular box with eye icon inside. You have to click on it. With clicking, a box will appear where you will get three options: like ad, block ad, report ad. You have to click block ad, and then another box will appear where you will get two options: one, continue, another, cancel. You have to click continue button. After clicking the continue button, another window will appear on the screen where you will get a message that your ad blocked. Then you have to click the cross button that you will find at the top right hand corner on the new window. So all is done. Everything has been done. Now your ad has been blocked. Now you can enjoy watching your favorite movie. If you want to get such type of technological help, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, don't forget to click the like button.